Hi everyone, I'm Lucy and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you do stay, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around and watching another video of mine. And in today's video we've got another hair tutorial, hair review, and today I'm actually going to be reviewing the Mark Hill Pick a Mix wand, and we are going to be testing out the Mark Hill Waver, and I am so excited for this and can't wait to show you it on my hair. Hence my hair is looking a little bit strange because I don't know how many times I have to say it on my YouTube channel, but my hair is obviously naturally curly. Washed it this morning and then blow dried it, hence it's a little bit frizzy and we're kind of dealing with this situation. So I'm hoping that this can fix my hair and make it look so much better and more put together. So if you want to see the results, keep on watching. You know what, it would have helped so much more if I had actually turned this on and got it heated up and ready to go, but I obviously didn't. So I've literally just turned it on now and it only has one heat setting. I think the heated setting is 180 degrees, and I know for damaged hair and bleached hair you shouldn't use more than 180 degrees on your hair because it will just make it snap. I try not to use too much heat on my hair anyway. It's kind of got the red light here showing that it is on. This is also the Twisty Barrel so that you can reach the back of your head, but it honestly scares me so much that you can literally just twist it and keep it like that, and then I don't know, for this one, for the Mermaid curler, I don't actually use that feature. So I have put heat protectant all in my hair, but whilst we wait for that to heat up, it doesn't take long at all. I thought I'd just talk you through the other barrels and let me know if you want a review on them because I can easily do that. I've got this straight curler and this is my probably favourite barrel that Mark Hill do. I just find it so nice and looks so much healthier on my hair, where you literally clamp your hair and like twist it and it curls it so nicely. I've also got this tiny corkscrew one, and the main reason behind this is my natural hair is kind of like corkscrew kind of style, so I use this on bits that don't curl right, and then it just keeps my natural hair curlier for longer and it will last longer between washes. Also means I don't need to use as much heat on it. And then I've got a big curler. I've not even used this one yet, so we're still yet to test this out. I'd probably test this out on my hair extensions just because when I'm wearing longer hair I prefer the bigger kind of volume waves, like kind of Molly May style. And then we've got this smoothing brush, which I thought when I straighten my hair I could just smooth my hair down. Again, I've not reached this as much, but if you want a tutorial on how all of these looks turn out like, just let me know down in the comments below and I will do that for you. So this colour has now warmed up, and I know that they do two different ranges of the Mermaid Waver, and this one is the smaller version. Just because I've got shorter hair, I feel like the bigger one would be too bulky for my hair, so yeah, this is kind of like a more tutorial on natural short-ish hair. My hair is quite damaged at the minute and I'm in desperate need of a haircut, but obviously we can't go to the hairdressers and get that sorted out, and I do not trust myself cutting my own hair, so can't wait till the hairdressers open again. So I'm going to first off actual brush my curly hair, which I absolutely hate, hence I've not brushed it yet. It is still a little bit frizzy, but I'm going to kind of just brush it as we kind of go along. Let's just hope that this turns out right, otherwise my hair is just going to look absolutely horrendous. I'm also going to be curling using my viewfinder, so let's just hope that that goes well and I don't end up burning my neck, my head or anything like that. So we want to kind of split it off in two sections. I did actually have loads of hair clips, but does anyone else should lose their hair clips and grips all the time? So I'm just grabbing like a medium-sized section of hair that you kind of want to curl to start off with. Obviously, if you do this, your hair's probably naturally straight and looks better than this, and you don't have to have all the faff. You essentially clip it in, wait for a bit, and then move on to the next bit. So you can kind of see it's making that kind of crimp style as you go along. So that's the first bit. And if we continue to go around the head, it should just turn out. Honestly, I cannot see what I'm doing, but this is essentially how you use it. You unclamp it, move on to the next section. But honestly, this does kick out a lot of heat, So you don't need to use it on your hair for too long, because I don't want to snap my hair off. Does anyone else have those visions? That kid that curled her hair and her hair just snapped off? Would that not just be like the biggest nightmare to actually happen whatsoever? I would honestly be terrified of that happening to my hair. So we've just done the first section. Just going to pull down the next section and get it done. But I will probably time lapse this so that you don't get bored, and then we can kind of see the finished results. But again, the longer you kind of leave it on, the more deeper the curl gets. If you don't leave it on as long, then it's obviously not a deeper curl. But I prefer to leave it on longer so it lasts a bit longer on my curly hair, and it just kind of doesn't go frizzy. And this range, I almost burnt myself. I can't talk and curl my hair at the same time, but basically I got this from, I got the barrels 3 for 2 from Boots when it was on offer for Black Friday. So I definitely check that out, because I think they always have like 3 for 2 on, and it's such a good deal. So it doesn't take up all the space in your drawers and room when it is kind of like that and everything. And you can also get it from the Mark Hill website if you're not from the UK, I presume. My camera kind of went dead, don't know what happened there, but I've just taken the next piece down to kind of curl. And does anyone actually hate brushing their curly hair? Honestly, it's like horrendous. It's just like a no from me. People are always like, why do you not brush your naturally curly hair? But you can only brush it when you get out of the shower, otherwise it goes really frizzy and you just get rid of the curls completely. It's just like unnecessary. Honestly, this is so fun to do, and I'm pretty much more or less over halfway done my hair already, and it's so quick and easy to do. Like, it's taken me less than 5 minutes and my hair is almost already done. This is what my hair is currently looking like. I have done it very quickly, but I am going to go off camera and make sure I've done the back of my head, because without a mirror it is so difficult. Gonna add some hairspray just so that it holds a little bit longer. But honestly, if I say this has taken less than 10 minutes, it honestly has, and I am loving the results already. And I'm not sure if it curls better on my hair because my hair is naturally curly, or whether this would kind of turn out with everyone with natural curly hair. But yeah, I am loving how it is looking like. So I'm gonna just quickly nip off camera and then come back to you and show you the finished result of my hair. So I've titivated my hair a little bit more, and this is what the final look looks like. And I really like it. I love how it kind of frames your face, and I just love how easy it honestly is. Anyone can do it. It is so simple, so easy, such a quick hairstyle. And for me, definitely, because it is raining now, it's always raining in the UK, I can literally just go outside. If it rains a bit, my hair does go a bit more curly, but it's still kind of got that sort of style to it. So yeah, I love how it turned out. Did anyone else when they were little plait their hair thinking their hair would turn out like this when they went to bed and wake up in the morning, take the plaits out and hope they look like this when it would literally just look like a bird's nest and absolutely horrendous? Or was that literally just me? For the sake of how much this is, it is so easy and so great to use, so I would definitely recommend it. And especially with hair extensions, it works so well on them as well. But I just kind of wanted to show you what it looked like on my natural hair and short hair. But with long hair as well, it just looks so nice. So I am so happy with the way it's turned out. If you've got any questions regarding the curling wand, regarding any of the wands themselves or how I actually styled this, please let me know and I will get back to you. But thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time for another video.